Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 14th of April 2025. Another beautiful day here in London. Do you notice your chili plant leaves curling? Do you notice ants crawling on your chili plants? If you notice any of these things, it's most likely your plants have been attacked by aphids. In today's video, we'll show you the fastest method to get rid of aphids using a product you have in your kitchen. We'll also give you an update on the seeds we have started in April. So stay with us till the end because this video is going to be very interesting. Aphids are small, soft-bodied insects that suck the sap from the plant leaves. They damage the plant and they spread diseases. After the aphids are done sucking the sap from the leaves, they leave behind a sticky residue called honeydew, which attracts ants and promotes mold growth on the plant. Do you notice your chili plant leaves starting to curl? Your chili plant leaves starting to turn into a funny shape? And do you notice ants crawling on your chili plant? If you do, inspect your plants closely, especially the new growth. Check the underside of the leaves. You are looking for small, light green yellowish insects called aphids, sucking the sap from your plants. Your plant has been attacked by aphids. You need to act quickly and get rid of the aphids before they damage your plants and stunt the growth of your plants. Let me show you how to get rid of the aphids. This is dish soap, washing up liquid. Everybody has this in the kitchen to wash up the dirty plates. Get a spray bottle and fill it up with water. For every litre of water, add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Now give this a good shake. Spray the solution on the plant thoroughly on both sides of the leaves, on the top side and the bottom side, especially on the new growth. If you have too many bugs on one plant, it might be necessary to wipe them off. Get a piece of tissue, spray the solution on the tissue, then wipe the plants thoroughly to get all the bugs off. Leave the plant to dry in a shaded area. Don't expose it to direct sunlight, otherwise the plant will get sunburn. After a few days, check on the plant. If you still notice aphids on your plant, spray again until all the aphids are gone.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Let me give you an update on our other plants. Now, these are some of the desi plant, sponge gourd. and still very tiny, but they will get ready for beginning of June. We still have 6 weeks left, so if your plant is this small, don't get panicky. You have 6 weeks left to plant them out. So this is a sponge gourd. Now I have a kumra plant which I planted about 4 weeks ago. Actually, this one I planted 2 seeds in there. One of them came out, and I noticed another one coming out. So hopefully once this one comes up, I'm going to transplant this into a separate pot. Now I planted few uri, and this was only 7 days ago. Uri seed comes up very quickly. So don't sow your uri too soon. Second week of April is fine if you're going to plant them out into the ground in mid-May or beginning of June. So this is the Desi flat bean uri seam. They are coming up nicely. Now these are some of the seed I started in April, beginning of April, some end of March. This is a hodu, bottle gourd. It took a little while for this seed to come up. Now remember, the thicker the seed shell, the longer the seed will take to germinate. Now bottle gourd seed are quite thick and large seeds, so allow a little bit more time for them to germinate. It can take up to 3 weeks. I think mine took about nearly 3 weeks, this one. This is bitter gourd, and it's beginning to come up. I can see about 3 or 4 seedlings. They grow very fast when the temperature rises. So I'm hoping within next 4 weeks they will grow to about 1 foot tall as the temperature rises. This one is, I think this is a zinga. This is a zinga. This is sponge gourd, and this is snake gourd. There's a snake gourd, and they're looking good. Like I said, I have 6 more weeks left before I plant them out. So if your seedlings are still tiny, don't get worried. Don't feel that your plants are not going to get ready before end of May. As the temperature rises, they will get ready. Now these are brinjal, long brinjal, and they're coming up nicely. Now this plant is ready for me to transplant into its final container. I grow a lot of brinjal eggplant in containers, and they do really well.
I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please don't forget to like the video. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button. And hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.